When did habitat loss become a major environmental issue? Recent discussions have sparked interest in a pressing question. When did habitat loss become a major environmental issue? This topic is more relevant than ever as we face ongoing ecological challenges. Just last week, reports highlighted alarming rates of deforestation and urban expansion. These developments reminded us of the importance of understanding habitat loss and its history. Habitat loss emerged as a significant environmental concern in the mid-20th century, particularly during the 1960s and 1970s. One key moment was the campaign against the construction of the Big Cypress Swamp Jetport in Florida, which began in 1968. Environmental advocates, including Marjorie Stoneman Douglas and Joe Browder, fought to protect the Everglades ecosystem from destruction. The releases of the Leopold Report in 1969 played a vital role in raising public awareness. This report outlined the irreversible damage the jetport would cause to the environment. The campaign against the jetport helped galvanize public support and led to important policy changes. This period marked a turning point when habitat loss became recognized as an urgent issue. It also contributed to the passage of significant environmental legislation, such as the National Environmental Policy Act, the Clean Water Act, and the strengthening of the Endangered Species Act in the early 1970s. Before this time, habitat loss was not widely acknowledged as a major environmental problem. Localized impacts had occurred due to agriculture, urbanization, and industrialization. However, the modern environmental movement brought habitat loss into sharper focus. Historical examples, such as China's For Pests campaign in 1958, show earlier instances of human actions causing ecological disruption. This campaign led to the local extinction of sparrows and contributed to crop failures. Yet, these events were not framed as habitat loss issues at the time. In summary, habitat loss became widely recognized as a major environmental issue during the late 1960s and early 1970s. This recognition coincided with the rise of environmental advocacy and landmark legislation aimed at protecting ecosystems. Understanding this history is essential as we continue to address habitat loss today.